Good one. You want to go to Charlietown, don't you?
Everybody type thank God in the chat.
You want to get drunk?
Yeah. Fuck like rabbits.
We're recording. Oh my God, Sega, do zoom-ins, please. Please. On both of them.
Ready?
What the fuck is that, Indian?
Yep. Yeah, that's all, folks.
We all smoke marijuana.
That's about what you do,
yeah,
too.
Bro.
You have to tell everybody?
Oh no, what happened to my candy?
Turn off the valve. I mean the machine.
Turn off your valve.
Turn off the machine, please, Mom.
Which plug do I pull? Oh, never mind.
Woo.
Hello?
God. I have to. Oh. Wow.
Yep.
Alright, go.
Shush.
Water. It's good for you.
Go on.
What is your problem? Like, are you okay?
He got laid.
What? What is with you?
Look.
I can't look.
Red Bull.
I can't look.
Look what I found. Here, Matt.
What? What? What is this? What is that?
It's a worm.
What is that?
It's a pill.
It's a pill, you dick.
It's a pill for your dick.
Makes it big.
Viagra, man.
It's called Niagara. It makes you pee more.
That'd actually be pretty good. Alright.
Here we go.
Sticky.
It's melting in my fingers.
It's fucking gross, bro. Alright, so.
Here we go.
Fullmetal Alchemist.
Alchemist.
Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood episode 5.
Fiber.
Heimlich. Hi, Mick.
Hi, Mick.
Oh. Back to the farm.
Mom!
Flashback.
Well, what do you have there, Ed? It's a present. I transmuted it. You did? You're your father's son, all right. Creating something as neat as this takes talent. But...
Oh.
Uh-oh.
if you can do that,
why couldn't you make Mommy better, Ed?
Uh-oh.
Big brother!
Let's play!
Oh, God.
Yes.
Little nightmares.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
We need to know what's going to happen to Tucker and Nina.
Mr. Tucker was scheduled to be stripped of his certification and stand trial for what he did to Nina. But they're both dead.
Oh.
What?
He's always one step ahead of us. We better catch up to him quickly because of the way things are going.
Okay, All Might.
You sound as though...
But we must hold tight to our faith. The time has come to rise up,
You
weapon
look
in
like the
hand,
Joker.
and fight in the name of the great god Leto!
Yeah! We fight the
Naruto.
Leto!
Down with the
Lita, the pizza place.
No! Don't be bold!
Human foolishness never ceases to amaze
Oh, God. That bitch is crazy. Uh-oh.
Wouldn't
Yep.
you agree?
A little of a civil strife.
Bloodshed gives way to more bloodshed. Hatred breeds more hatred. Until all of the violence soaks into the land, carving rivers of blood.
Ew.
Are lots of people gonna die again?
Yes, they will.
Oh, can I eat all of them after they die?
Oh.
You may not. By the way, Envy, could you lose the old man costume? It's rather unattractive.
Come on, I was just staying in character. But if you insist, This time around, I'm going a younger, cuter model. What do you say?
Oh, what the hell?
It's your call.
He said I was a monster. I think that's quite rude, don't you?
Can I eat him? Can I?
He's gonna eat him.
We can't very well let him die. He's an important sacrifice.
That was so yummy!
Oh!
Find some way of handling the situation. The other one we were speaking of. What was it?
No!
Scar.
Oh, I can't.
Has in his face. The only information we've been able to obtain about him is that he has a large scar on his forehead. Yes, I've heard stories about
His
that.
mouth doesn't move, just his
That's what you're trying
mustache.
to hide down.
They're having an earthquake, so don't mind the camera shaking.
Put all our trust in alchemy, but in the end, what is it? I'm trying desperately to figure out a way to do the impossible. I'm such a hopeless idiot. All this time and I haven't grown up one bit.
Yes, you have.
I don't even get that much. Without a body, I can't feel the rain hitting my face. That's something I miss all the time. I want to get my body back soon, brother.
You
I just want
will.
to be human again.
You will, baby
Even if it
boy.
means going
Put him in
against
a
the
dog.
flow of the world and trying.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You, boy, you are the Fullmetal Alchemist Edward Elric, correct?
Oh, God. Get away! No! Ah!
What the hell is going on here?
Get away!
Who is this guy? What does he want?
It's Scarface!
This is really bad.
No, you don't.
Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, shit. People just watching.
Like they always do.
It looks like we're gonna have to fight.
Too
Oh.
slow.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, no.
There's nothing inside.
That's right.
You're too slow.
Oh, God.
Put your hands together to make a ring, and then you perform transmutation. Now I see.
Fuck you.
You'll
Ooh.
have to start by destroying this abhorrent right arm of yours.
No! Don't hurt him. He's a baby boy.
Now you will not be able to eat.
Oh, no.
He's got a plan.
Fortunately,
You alone.
in that case, I want your word. Promise me you won't hurt my brother.
Brother,
I will keep that promise.
stop! Don't touch him! No!
God!
No, he's got a plan.
Oh,
That's enough. You won't be killing anybody else today, Scar.
Oh, is that right?
You guys stay out of it.
Colonel Mustang, sir!
Colonel Mustard.
So this is the flame.
In the
Alchemist.
laboratory.
Volunteering yourself.
Oh, shit.
Hey, Hawkeye, what the hell did you do that for?
You know as well as I do, you're useless on rainy days. Please stay back.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's kind of hard to get a spark going when it's raining, huh?
Derpader.
Or I will destroy all who interfere with my mission right here
Oh,
and now.
no.
Bam.
I'd like to see you try it.
I am here!
We'll see how you fare against the strong-arm alchemist, Alex Louis Armstrong.
Yet another state alchemist. God is putting them in my path for me.
Oh, God. Oh.
Who is he?
That's the same man who murdered Mr. Tucker and his daughter.
He's too good! Somebody...
Major, watch what you're doing! We don't want to destroy the city, do
Jesus,
we?
yes!
What do you mean? Destruction and creation are two sides of the same coin. You must destroy to create. That is the law of the universe.
We have to strip.
Are you surprised? He's clearly insane.
That's it. The stages of the transmutation process are construction, deconstruction, and reconstruction.
Mm-hmm.
This guy just must stop at the deconstruction phase.
Oh, no. Oh, no. This guy
There's
is...
a moment when his swing is
Oh! No! Oh, no glasses.
He's too fast. I only grazed him with one shot.
Red eyes and brown skin, that means he's...
Of course he's an Ishvalan. Perhaps there are too many.
You might as well give up, Scar. You're not getting away.
Oh God, now what's he done? Look, no!
He's escaping.
Yep.
Sorry, Armstrong. But thank you for buying us enough time to surround him.
I was hardly buying time. It was all I could do to keep myself from being killed.
Oh, is it over now?
Lieutenant Colonel
What?
Hughes, where have you been this whole time?
Hiding.
I thought it best to lay low. You didn't think about maybe backing us up? Of course not! A person like me shouldn't get dragged into a freak
Look at his
show
mouth.
with a pack of pseudo-humans. It's bad for my health!
That suit of armor is Elric's younger brother, is it?
Oh
There's
no.
gotta be a really long story behind this one.
Come on, Al, you hear me?
Why didn't you run away when I told you to?
Oh.
What kind of idiot are you?
No way, I'm not just gonna run away and leave you behind!
That's exactly why you're an idiot!
What do you keep punching me like that for?
I won't allow you to abandon the possibility of hope and choose a meaningless death!
There you go.
Oh, great! And now my arms come off because my brother's a big fat idiot!
We're really falling apart, aren't we, brother? We look like we belong in a junkyard.
But we're still alive.
Oh.
We are.
Good grief, I've stumbled into an extra special kind of freak show, huh? And now we know he's Ishvalan.
Ishvalan.
He's fallen.
Even after they were
Where is
annexed into
it?
the country, there were still
To the
conflicts
east,
between
down there.
us and
The
them.
red area.
There, Ishvalan.
13 years ago,
ISHBALEN.
accidentally shot and killed him. After 7 years of this, an order came down from the military high command to exterminate Ishval.
Ah, see?
Needless to say, the
Genocide.
state alchemists produced strike.
No way! There's no justification for taking revenge on people who had nothing to do with it. He's just dressing his ugly lust for vengeance in the mantle of his god and calling himself an agent of justice.
Still, the fact is,
I can buy
he's
that.
coming at us with full force. We can't let ourselves be killed for his cause. Next time, there will be no more talk. Got it?
Oh.
Yes.
We've got no choice. It's been a long time. We need to pay a visit to our mechanic.
So,
Yo.
Yeah, I
I
need to.
just stick you.
It looks like you're eating turds because it all melted together.
I was. I didn't want to tell you.
It was disgusting watching that. That was the most horrifying fucking thing ever.
No, I don't want that. No. No, I've got to go. I'm sticky.
It's a family show. Stop that. So,
All good. That
that was interesting.
interesting.
Yeah, what'd you think of the
So, let's
Ishvalan thing?
It's. I was
Yeah.
really upset.
He seems like you say he's got a reason for his revenge, but at the same time, I think he's taking it to an extent of
It's too much.
saying that God has allowed me to do.
No.
If you're hearing God talking in your head, go get some help.
Right?
What else can I say? But I mean, he has a reason to attack the army and stuff. So, since they were genocide, kill off an entire race, it's a little messed up.
It's happening before.
So yeah, right. But I'm just saying, though, that kind of gives you to the big guy at the top. Like I said, just don't trust him. So there you go.
Fuhrer?
Yeah. So and therein lies your problem. Instead of trying to work something out, let's just go wipe them all out instead.
Yeah.
So.
I haven't done, but
So I got a funny feeling at some point in time that Ed and Al are going to be taking on the big boss. So we'll see what happens.
Oh, yeah.
big boss.
Yeah,
Like
the
big
Fuhrer.
boss?
The Fuhrer.
Okay, the Fuhrer, not
Yeah.
big boss.
Once they
The
realize
big boss man.
Once they realize basically they're just being used as a pawn in what he's doing. So
Mm-hmm.
What do you think he's doing?
he's trying to make sure that he secures his power forever.
Sure it's him? Sure it's him?
Oh, I would think so.
What'd you say?
You
Sure, it's him.
Oh.
Sure it's him trying to do it.
Yeah. Why
Okay.
not?
I don't know yet.
We'll see.
I'm just saying.
Just a guess.
Takes me a while.
All right.
You
Get to tell everybody how to see it.
No. She freaked out.
Oh, yeah.
Just a little bit during that fight.
I'm just happy she didn't throw chocolate. So.
Or shit, or whatever that is, man. I don't know.
It was chocolate, really. It was chocolate.
It was disgusting. She was like, there's big, like, globs, and she was like,
sorry.
And I was like, oh, God, stop, please. I really wanted to be like, stop.
Almost as bad as gluttony eating people.
Oh, that... I can't handle that. Do I get to eat it all?
That's not what he said.
Whatever he
Eat
said.
them all.
Whatever.
Can I eat them now?
Ew, that was fucking nasty.
Eat me.
Alright, so...
No. Oh. We still have more to discuss. I actually wanted to ask, how are you enjoying it so far?
It's not too bad.
What?
I'm kind of like in the middle of the road with it.
Yeah.
It just seems a little like it's just kind of like a slow, drawn out.
Yeah, I agree.
So
yeah, but it picks up.
Well, I hope
It
so.
better.
I'm giving it the opportunity. So
Trust me.
I mean,
I've watched it 3 times before, so I mean, trust me, it does pick up. I'm not gonna say any more than that, obviously.
Okay.
But
All right.
well, I would think it would as the show goes along.
you, Mom?
Yeah, I'm the same as him.
Sparkle.
I mean, it's good. It's good. It's a little grody to me. It's an 80s
I
term.
don't think it's I'm gonna keep saying that till the final episode.
Right?
So, I mean, I'm glad you guys are enjoying it, though.
Mhm.
I love the show. I'm glad I'm rewatching it.
Cool.
All right.
So if you want to see the videos earlier, the full length, she's going to tell you how to do it.
Nope.
Yep.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I can't.
Do it.
So you can pay $2.
You shoes on?
So you can pay $2.
To see a full length.
No.
I don't know.
See a full length?
Just write
What
it
does that
down.
mean? There's some weird stuff going on there.
So if you want to see the videos early, go to patreon.com/MattosCupper, and for $2, you get to see them early. For $5, you get to see the full length, plus you get to see them early.
Right.
Right? And there's also a link there for the Discord, so feel free to jump on the Discord so you can chat with everybody else. And we do thank you for your time and watching, and hope everybody's having a great day.
Thanks, guys.
Yep.
See you next time.
Be safe, be happy.
Bye.